Have you ever wondered what alien worlds exist right here in our own solar system? What mysterious planets orbit our sun? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on an epic voyage of discovery. Hello, and welcome to our channel. We are so excited you could join us today as we explore the wonders of our solar system. From the fiery inferno at the center to the frozen outer reaches, we'll travel past all 8 planets to uncover the mysteries that lie beyond. This grand tour promises stunning sights and surprises around every corner, so let's not waste another minute. Come with us on an adventure of a lifetime to discover our extraordinary cosmic neighborhood. The center of our solar system is the Sun, a huge, continuously burning ball of gas and plasma. The Sun makes up 99.8% of the mass of the entire solar system. To give you an idea of how massive it is, over 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Sun's diameter is about 100 times wider than Earth's. And did you know the Sun is over 4.5 billion years old? It formed from a cloud of dust and gas when the gravity caused the material to collapse into a ball. The surface of the Sun sizzles at a blazing 10,000 degrees, but we can't get too close or we'd burn up. The Sun produces energy through nuclear fusion when hydrogen atoms join to make helium. The surface of the Sun sizzles at a blazing 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But we can't get too close, or we'd burn up. The Sun produces energy through nuclear fusion when hydrogen atoms join to make helium. This process releases photons that radiate into space as sunlight. Now here's a crazy fact. It takes a single photon about 10,000 to 170,000 years to travel from the core to the surface of the Sun. Our entire solar system relies on the light and heat from this glowing star at the center. Without the Sun, life as we know it could not survive. Now that we've soaked in the glory of the Sun, let's move in closer to the smaller, rocky inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are much tinier than the outer gas giant planets, but the inner planets still hold their own special charm. Let's check them out. First up is little Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, taking only 88 Earth days to complete one orbit. This speedy planet zips around faster than any other, with barely any atmosphere. Temperatures on Mercury vary wildly from 800 degrees Fahrenheit on the day side facing the Sun to a frigid 290 degrees on the night side. This extreme heat caused the surface to become covered in craters, as rocks melted from asteroid impacts over billions of years. Mercury also has long cliff-like scarps that likely formed as the planet shrank, while its core cooled and solidified. Despite being a tiny little thing, Mercury definitely has a lot going on. Now we come to Venus, which has been called Earth's evil twin because they are so alike in size. Venus is only about 650 miles less in diameter than Earth. But while Venus and Earth share many similarities, conditions on Venus are very hostile. Venus has a carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere that acts like a blanket trapping heat from the Sun. Surface temperatures reach a sizzling 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure is 90 times higher than on Earth, similar to 3,000 feet deep in the ocean. Thick sulfuric acid clouds completely shroud Venus's surface from view. Definitely not a planet we'd like to visit. Now we come to our own oasis in the solar system, planet Earth, seen from space. Earth appears as a gorgeous blue marble with swirls of white clouds. Earth is currently the only known place in the universe with confirmed life thanks to its moderate climate, water, and oxygen atmosphere. Our home planet takes 365 days to orbit the Sun. Earth is tilted on its axis while rotating, giving us changing seasons as different parts receive more direct sunlight during the year. Earth really is special among the planets. We should feel grateful to call this pale blue dot home. Our last stop among the inner planets is Mars, often called the red planet due to its rusty iron oxide-covered surface. At half the size of Earth, Mars has some geological similarities like volcanoes, valleys, and canyons, but with a thinner atmosphere and colder, drier climate. Signs indicate liquid water flowed long ago when Mars was warmer. Some scientists think microbial life may have lived there billions of years back. Who knows what fossils or other evidence of ancient Mars life may be uncovered someday. For now, Mars remains a cold yet compelling world of mystery. Now we head into the outer solar system, starting with the 4 giant planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each of these gas and ice giants is enormously bigger than the inner rocky planets. They have distinct atmospheres showing unique weather patterns and storms. The outer planets also hold some pretty interesting moons. Let's check them out. Jupiter is the king of planets, fitting for the biggest world named after the Roman king of gods. Jupiter could swallow all the other planets and still have room left over. Jupiter is so massive because it's made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas. This gas giant has colorful cloud bands and a great red spot, a swirling storm wider than Earth that has raged for over 300 years. Being 5 times farther from the Sun than Earth's orbit, temperatures on Jupiter reach an incredibly frigid 234 degrees Fahrenheit. Jupiter has 53 confirmed moons and another 26 waiting for official names. The 4 largest are called the Galilean moons, named after Galileo, who discovered them in 1610. What makes Saturn so recognizable are its splendid icy rings made of chunks of ice and rock. Saturn has 82 confirmed moons, many of which help stabilize its rings. While smaller than Jupiter, Saturn still weighs 95 times more than Earth. Its atmosphere has subtle peach and gold-colored cloud bands. Saturn also has strange hexagonal patterns swirling around its north pole. 2 of Saturn's moons are awesome destinations. Titan has methane lakes and rivers, while Enceladus has geysers spewing water vapor from an underground ocean beneath its frozen surface. At about 4 times Earth's width, Uranus has the 3rd largest diameter in our solar system. But oddly, Uranus rotates almost perpendicular to its orbit, essentially rolling sideways around the Sun. Uranus is chilly way out there, with an atmosphere made of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives it a hazy blue-green color. The planet doesn't have much cloud activity or storms. There are 27 known moons and 13 faint rings orbiting Uranus. Our outer solar system tour concludes by visiting Neptune, first predicted to exist mathematically before being observed. Neptune's methane atmosphere makes it a lovely deep blue, similar to its twin Uranus, but unlike its quiet twin. Neptune has the fastest planetary winds in our solar system, raging at over 1,500 miles per hour. Voyager 2 found Neptune has 14 moons and faint rings. Triton is the largest moon, with icy geysers spewing material up from beneath its frozen surface. And with that, we come to the end of our solar system planet tour. But there are still more wonders to behold in our cosmic neighborhood. Past Neptune is the Kuiper Belt, a region containing dwarf planets, Pluto, Makemake, Haumea, and many more smaller icy objects. Even farther out lies the hypothesized Oort cloud, a giant spherical bubble of comets orbiting up to 100,000 times farther from the Sun than Earth's distance. Truly amazing stuff at the farthest reaches. Our voyage through of the wonders of our solar system has come to an end. From searing hot stars to tiny icy moons, raging storms and glittering rings, we encountered so many glorious sights on this grand tour. We hope you feel a sense of awe for our amazing cosmic neighborhood. As our knowledge expands, who knows what other wonders await discovery. For now, all these celestial bodies continue their orbital dance around our magnificent Sun in perfect harmony. The mysteries of our universe are waiting to be explored. Thanks so much for watching. Now it's time for us to gear up for more epic adventures across the universe. Stay curious, keep looking up at the stars, and dream big. The adventures of a lifetime are waiting for us in worlds beyond our own.